We're breaking down all the highlights from today's press conference, including the vaccine schedule. But first, we want to get to Denver 7's Jacqueline Allen.
Jacqueline, so what exactly did Fauci say about the surge upon a surge, specifically what it means for us here in Colorado?
Well, we heard good news and bad news from him. We'll start with the bad news, that whole surge upon a surge that is expected in 2 to 3 weeks. Even with that, though, Dr. Fauci was hesitant to recommend a lockdown for Colorado.
We are really in a public health crisis right now.
In this virtual news conference with Governor Polis, who actually has coronavirus right now,
this is just such a lottery when you get this thing.
Dr. Anthony Fauci says Colorado won't be alone seeing a spike in a couple of weeks, or what he sort of ominously calls
a surge upon a surge.
He stopped short of recommending a total lockdown, though, because of COVID fatigue.
I have a very terse saying when people ask me that: close the bars, open the schools, and that's it. And that really succinctly says it.
The good news now:
vaccines are literally on the threshold for us. Once we get there, we can crush this outbreak, just the way we did with smallpox, with polio, and with measles.
We're almost there.
Polis compared this time to the last mile of a marathon, the finish line in sight.
I will get vaccinated when my time arrives. I promise you that.
And I will as well.
Hang in there. We're all in this together, Governor.
Fauci says the vaccine will likely be available for at-risk people by the end of the year, for everyone else by April. Until then, he says, don't let the perfect be the enemy of the good. Wear masks, social distance, and avoid crowds. Shannon.